unscrew the nuts. Hook the engine room crane on the lifting attachment on top of the exhaust valve and lift away the cylinder cover. Lift the cylinder cover with the engine room crane. Mount the tilting tool in the two holes for the cylinder cover studs close to the neighbouring cylinder cover opposite to the starting valve. Mount the lifting tool in the two cylinder cover stud holes on the opposite side of the exhaust valve housing. Hook onto the lifting with a strap. Lift the cylinder cover with the engine room crane for approximately 45 degrees. Apply pressure by hand to the exhaust valve housing while lowering the engine room crane in order to tilt the cylinder cover into a horizontal position and place a wooden plank to support the exhaust valve housing. Thoroughly clean the bottom of the cylinder cover. Turn the cylinder cover to vertical position and remove the lifting straps. Remove the tilting tool from the cylinder cover. Remove the cooling water pipe. Remove the protective caps from the exhaust valve studs. See Procedure 908-2.